Improvements are in place on the Texas Lottery Plaza at the Toyota Music Factory. The band Super Kilo performed at this pop-up event called TMF After Dark. You can see a lot of people danced and listened to the tunes. The City of Irving owns the Toyota Music Factory. New operator Brookfield is working to add its own touches and is using the slogan, or hashtag if you prefer, more than music. You can see that for this event, they brought in games and comfortable seating areas.
We're trying to show everybody this is a destination more than just the pavilion shows and music.
We came here once for a work event, and then we finally came at nighttime to really explore it. Went over to the reservoir, had a delicious dinner, and now we're enjoying some great live music.
Love the live music, love all the bars, love all the people around here. People watching's a blast.
We're on our first date. It's a good choice. He did a good job. Playing some cornhole. It's really fun.
We want to make sure that people understand that this is our entertainment venue. This is what we want people to be part of. It's been created through our hot tax dollars to be a place for people to come.
The team at the Toyota Music Factory is planning more pop-up events on the plaza in the weeks ahead.